In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva templates in Google Slides. The easiest way to do this is to start with a Canva presentation template, finish your design in Canva, and then move it into Google Slides. Canva says you can upload a Canva presentation to Google Drive and use it with Google Slides, and Canva also supports downloading presentation designs as PowerPoint files. Google's own help says Google Slides can work with Office presentation files and can also convert them into native Google Slides format. First, open Canva and choose a presentation template you like. Edit the colors, text, images, and pages until the design looks the way you want. Once your Canva presentation is ready, you have two practical options. The first is to send it to Google Drive from Canva. Canva says you can use the menu in the editor, choose the Google Drive option, connect your Google account if needed, and save the presentation to a Drive folder. The second option is to download the Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file. Canva says presentations can be exported as a PowerPoint presentation, and its download help confirms you can choose a file type when exporting a design. This method is useful when you want more control over the handoff before opening it in Google Slides. After that, go to Google Drive and find the presentation file. If you exported it as PowerPoint, upload it to Drive if it is not already there. Google says you can open and edit Office presentation files in Google Drive and Google Slides, and if you want a true Google Slides version, you can convert the Office file into Google Slides format by opening it in Slides and then saving or converting it as a Google Slides file. Once the file opens in Google Slides, review every slide carefully. This step matters because Canva and Google Slides do not use exactly the same design engine, so some fonts, spacing, animations, or layout details may look a little different after import. Google notes that Office files can be edited in Slides, but conversion creates a copy in Google Slides format, which is usually the best time to make those final adjustments. If you only want the Canva design style and not the full finished deck, there is another method. Google says you can import a theme from another presentation by opening Google Slides, clicking Slide, then Change Theme, and choosing Import Theme. So you can bring a Canva-based presentation into Google Slides first, then reuse that look in another deck by importing its theme. So the basic process is simple. Pick a Canva presentation template, customize it in Canva, export it to Google Drive or as a PowerPoint file, open it in Google Slides, and then make any final formatting fixes after import. That's how to use Canva templates in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.